Hi guys, today we will learn how to program this IP camera. So whether it's Avigilon, whether it's Hikvision or Hikvision Dahua, so the process will be same. Today here I'll be using the Axis brand camera. Also I will explain you how to upgrade the latest firmware on this camera. So let's start. So all you need is camera, PO injector and a laptop. So like if you don't know about the PO injector, PO injector is a device which can give a power to the camera, as well as we can access a camera from our laptop as well. So the cable connection will be this. The cable from camera will go to the PoE port of this PO injector. So you can see the PoE port. This will go here, and the cable which is coming from our laptop will go to the data so that we can access our camera. So it is the connection is ready. So let's go to our Ethernet option. So to access the Ethernet option, here I will use the shortcut key ncpa.cpl. Go to search bar and type ncpa.cpl. So you will go to this our network and Ethernet option. So double click on Ethernet, go on properties and go on TCP IP version, and here I will highly recommend you to use the Avigilon IP address automatically, so that any camera, so we don't have to worry about the setting a gateway in the default IP. So click on OK and close, and then just leave it like that if I need it later. So now what you can do is, like I will show you from start. So like you might be confused what will be the actual IP for this new camera. So on the most of the camera, you can easily find on internet. So you can write what is the default IP of Hikvision camera, Dahua brand or Axis or Avigilon. But in case of Axis brand, so it takes automatically. So I will show you here a tool that we can use, we technician use to get the IP. So open the Wireshark. The Wireshark is the software that will show all the IP that are connected with this device, with my laptop. So my laptop will try to find this camera along with this IP address, so that we will find what is the actual IP address of this camera. So here we can see fragmented. Here we can see the Axis communication. So this is our Axis camera. So here we can see 169.254.56.114. So 56.114, here it shows HP as well, and here is Axis communication 169.56.114. Who has 169.255, like my laptop has 156.114 and 169.254.158.208. So here it is showing that just try to opening this IP as well as this IP, and then usually 169.254.158.208 is our this camera IP. 169.254.208 is our camera IP. So this is the first time we are setting up this camera. This is a brand new camera which is in fact default mode. So here we give the password. This is the default username, root is the default username, and then set up your own password, guys. So here I'm setting up my own password. Yeah, and so as soon as you confirm your password, press on OK. So now it will say to log in with those credentials. Username will be always root, and the password will be the password that we set up one step before. Click on sign in. No, I will not set this one. So don't worry about this frequency, guys. 60 Hz is fine on this camera. So here it will show the configuration. Wait. Now yeah, we can see our camera. I think the camera view is a little bit, I think I didn't put that cover well, so the camera is blurry. So I will try to remove its base. So here I'm removing my camera. Oh yeah, we can see our camera. So this is our camera, and which is showing black and white at the moment. It should not be, but maybe it will come normal shape. Yeah, the camera is upside down, so I'll try to align the camera. Here we can see the camera. So I will go to the settings that we technician usually do while adding it to the camera or NVR or a system. So let's go to first thing first. Let's go to setup, guys, and let's go to user. So that root is the default username. Here you can add a username to give either technician or either end user or anything. So click on add here and click on username. What username you want to give, like ADMI and admin, and also give your unique password. So again, confirm the password. And what credential you want to give to them, either they are a viewer, operator, or administrator. So I want to give this admin to the administrator label, so I will click on administrator and click on OK. And then I want to add one more username, like CLIENT client, and I will give my password and also reconfirm. And then I want to give this access as a viewer, so that they will only have a viewer option. So I will show you how it is work, and click on OK. So I will copy this address and I will go to the Chrome on the another browser, and I will try to open that another username. So click the Chrome and paste that IP address, the same IP. And here I will give the CLIENT client, and then I will give my password. Yeah. Now, so here I can see this option. So let's go to setup. Now, because while clicking on the setup option, so it will ask to username of the administrator, because we don't have a privilege to go to this setup option on the viewer icon. The only unauthorized access, so the only option we have is on this one is only to view the camera only. So let's go to back to our admin panel. So this is our admin panel, and then another important thing is go on setup. I will show you how to set up the IP. So go on basic setup, go on TCP IP, and first going to TCP, go on to TCP IP, and then here is enable IPv4, and here is the IP address that is by default it get. So now use the tick on this option, use the following IP address. So now if you now this is the IP address of this will be the new IP address for this camera, guys. So like find the range of your network here, find the IP address you need to set up on of this camera, then click on this. Either you want to put 192.168 or this. Here I want to make 192.168.1.120 for my camera, 1.20 for my camera, and 255.255.255.0 will be the gateway. And also I want to make the default subnet mask, and I want to make that gateway is 1.1. So let's hit OK. So you can click on paste to check whether this IP is available on this network or not. If we click on test, and the IP address is not in use, so we can use it. So and click on save, guys. So as soon as you change the IP address, now go to your Ethernet option, the shortcut key is ncpa.cpl, and go to Ethernet option. So now change Ethernet, go to Ethernet, go to properties, and again go to the TCP version IP before. Now use the following IP address. So now we make our camera 192.168 in one range. The IP is 125, and let's make it 130 because last number will be always different. So this is the range, this is the network part, and this is a range, and this is a unique number. So leave it default and use the 192 gateway, use 192.168.1.1 which as camera has got. So click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. So if you go to command prompt and try to see whether our camera is pinging or not, so this is the command, right? ping ping and the camera IP address and type -t. So press enter. Yeah, so we can see the camera is pinging. So go to any browser and type 192.168.1.125 is our new camera IP address. So it will ask you the username. So here I will use the new username that we create, like admin and I and the address, sorry, password, and click on sign in. So yes, here we can see the camera with a new username and password that we have created, guys. Steps like changing a IP, upgrading a camera, and adding a username are the basic steps we need to do in a camera while adding it to the server or existing NVR, guys. So if you got any problem on these things or any other brand, please drop a comment on the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want me to make any kinds of video or any kinds of networking camera video, then drop a comment on the link. I will make the video on upcoming session. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and if you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Thank you.